Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves for hair growth, updated. Start by making a fresh mint paste and apply it to the scalp for 20 minutes twice weekly. Rinse gently and use a mild shampoo to prevent dryness. Keep a simple routine and note any scalp reactions. Mint is a supportive boost, not a miracle cure, so pair treatments with good nutrition and gentle hair care practices for healthier growth. Gather fresh mint leaves, a blender, and a small jar to store your paste. Chop leaves roughly and blend with a little water or aloe until smooth, then strain if you want a tonic. Use the paste fresh when possible for maximum essential oils, and refrigerate leftovers for up to 3 days in a sealed container. Label it and discard if it smells off to avoid scalp irritation or infection. Apply the mint paste section by section, massaging gently for 3 to 5 minutes to stimulate follicles and improve blood flow. Mix mint with carrier oils like coconut or castor oil if your scalp needs extra moisture and to help with absorption. Leave the paste on for about 20 minutes, then rinse and shampoo. Monitor your scalp and reduce frequency if you notice redness or excessive sensitivity during the first few uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.